The Meta Quest 3 is here. And it's a reality check for VR. No PCs, no wires, just pure standalone magic. Well, I've been testing it for days and spoilers. It's a headset above the rest. You see what I did there? Well, let's dive into why this is a game changer though. Especially if you are in India or you just hate messy cables like everybody else. Or just me. It's just me maybe.
Get the out of here.
First up, the design. This thing is so slim, it makes the Quest 2 look like a VR fossil. Pancake lenses, more like flatten the competition lenses. And these controllers, well, they are very kid proof. Perfect for when your little cousin goes ferocious on Beat Saber. Well, here's the kicker. The Quest 3 runs standalone. No 1 lakh rupees gaming PC needed here. Just slap it on and boom, you are in VR. For India, where PCs can cost a kidney, this is huge. Even kids can jump in without, sweating over getting a huge ass setup. Well, Meta's ease of access, more like metamorphosis into effortless browsing and continuous gaming. The Quest 3 isn't just VR, it's sort of like a mixed reality thing. Imagine slaying aliens in your living room or hiding them when mom walks in. The Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, it's so fast, it makes buffering a bad dream, and yes, it's got regional language support too. Kya aap ready ho? Well, comfort wise, it's light enough for a marathon session or until the battery dies. Pro tip, just buy a power bank. This thing guzzles juice faster than a chai lover at a tea stall. But hey, the family friendly apps, perfect for Diwali gifts. But just don't come at me blaming me for when the kids steal it. Now, should Quest 2 owners upgrade? Well, if you want a mixed reality experience and future proofing, then yes. But for casual gamers, maybe wait for a sale or something, For newbies though, the Quest 3 is like jumping from a bicycle to a rocket, minus the rocket prices. Well, it's not all sunshine and laddus though. Battery life shorter than a Mumbai monsoon. Accessories pricier than a movie theater popcorn. And games, well, let's just say Meta's next gen tax is real. Still, for a standalone VR experience, it's worth every paisa in my opinion though. So, is the Quest 3 worth it? Well, if you want a VR that's standalone, kid friendly and doesn't need a PC, then 100% yes in my opinion. It's virtually perfect for India, Well, anyway, smash that like button if you're ready to level up, subscribe for more tech laughs, and remember, in the metaverse, nobody judges your dance moves, metaphorically speaking. Well, see ya.